Guys, it's me, Maya, bro, and I'm a hacker, and I want to make some popsicles. That's with gummy bears. See this one? And you see this? Today we're gonna make Gummy Bear Popsicles. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started. So first, I need to take out them. And they're new because they have straws on them. It's like you get that right in the mouth. So I'm gonna fill 3 of them up. So first, fill them up with how long does this gonna take? Alright. That's sour. You could use your favorite juice or your favorite candy. No, it's at the candy. And imagine if I drank it and I went into a rainbow candy crush. And I went like, oh, look, I thought my mouth was a mold. And now add the next thing. Woo woo. Now let's put the lids on. If you have one of these, make sure to ask your parents if you want to do this. It is literally. I asked my parents and they let me do it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye.
Ew.
Stop with me.
You got snot come out your nose. You want to say that again?
Next, I'm gonna put in the freezer and see how it goes. Goodbye. Did it end? Did it end?
If you want to do it, you got to come all the way up to the camera and cover the thing.
I already did that part. Jeez. You want me to do it again? And I don't want to do it again. So goodbye. Woo-hoo.
Okay.
You're not gonna make me do it again.
You don't have to. Stinky butt.
One eternity later.
What's up, guys? It's me, Maya, bro, and I want to in the juice gummy bear popsicles are done making, and I want to give a shout out to Papina for making these go faster. So let's get started. This is harder than I thought. I wish there were a pogo stick on it. I could pogo it. Finally. This actually tastes good. It actually tastes good too. So subscribe and like if you would want one of these. Bye-bye.
You gotta put your hand all the way on. You're like, boom.
Boom.